Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to show you what we just got in from the Bob Ross Company. This is the new Happy Lessons in a Box Bob Ross for Kids set. It's for kids that are 6 and up. So all those kids that we previously couldn't do Bob Ross classes with, we can now. You also can purchase this set as a complete set for your child to do at home. And let me see. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, let's see what's in here. We've got a little Bob Ross palette. So cute. Let's see, what's this? This is a coupon for one free child's admission to the Bob Ross experience that has opened up in Muncie, Indiana. So that comes with the kit. Let's see, we've got, looks like 3 of these little Bob Ross for Kids canvas boards. And they're not for the regular Bob Ross paintings by any means. These are for the kids' kits. Let's see, we've also got, oh, look at this, Kid Liquid White. And then all the little kid Bob Ross colors. These, by the way, are water-based acrylics so that they are safe for kids and easy to clean up. So there's our Bob Ross Van Dyke Brown, our Kid Sap Green. Oh, this is so cute. Kid Titanium White. Kid Bright Red, Kid Prussian Blue, and Kid Cadmium Yellow. And, okay, this might be the best part right here. Look at this. I'm going to open this so we can see these little brushes. These are the Kid Bob Ross brushes. I totally want to paint with these. Okay. There's a little kid size 2-inch brush. Then we've got a little kid size 1-inch replica brush. Then a kid's fan brush. A kid's knife so they can make their own little mountains. Put their snow on their mountains. And then here's their little liner brush for all those little squiggly lines and to sign their name, just like Bob did. Okay, so those are the materials that are included in the box. Then we've got this really nifty Bob Ross instruction book in there that shows how to use the canvases and how to complete the paintings. There are actually 5 different paintings to choose from. And let's see, this guide takes you, wow, step-by-step instructions. I understand that there's also a video link that comes with the box that you can go online and watch actual step-by-step video instruction for each of the projects that are included in here. Let's see. Wow, it gives all kinds of like Bob encouragement, teaching kids to be confident and that we don't make mistakes, all that good Bob Ross vibe that we love on the adult shows, and really nice directions for working through these little paintings. All right. Okay, here in the back, there's some puzzles to do because there's a little bit of wait time involved with these acrylic paintings. Once you get a step done, there's a little time to wait in between, so little puzzles to keep them occupied. And a little Bob Ross certificate of achievement for when they're all done. Wow. Okay, I am so excited about this little Bob Ross kit. We plan on keeping some of these in stock here at Art Party Unlimited Studio. So we'll have those to be able to sell to you at classes. We also will be able to drop ship them to you directly from the Bob Ross Company. As always, we give you the best prices and the best advice on how to use these things. And then I also will be having them available for your private parties, so birthday parties, kids parties, fun gatherings, to be able to bring these supplies and be able to do some mobile events for you. So hopefully you're as excited as I am about these because these are like so super cute.